B-O-N-E.
B-O-N-E.
I called you Rato on the phone.
Rato, my nigga.
You're funny. I said I called you Rato
It's Jenny,
on the
baby.
phone.
Jenny.
Rato,
Jenny,
my
baby.
nigga.
Fuck you. What's up about Jenny?
She ain't taking my calls.
Jenny?
Jenny.
Jenny is something I come together. Like what Don together.
Don
She ain't checking
together.
her DMs. She ain't checking. If yesterday she wasn't my queen, I'd be like, Jenny, go. She said she wants to chill a while.
Jenny
It's no
from the
problem.
block, nigga.
Listen, Genevieve.
Jenny.
Somebody's about to die for your sake right
Oh,
now.
Jenny.
I'ma kill myself.
Hey,
hold on.
Hold on,
I have a
bro.
problem when you say you got to kill yourself for a goal. You don't have to kill yourself for a
You
goal.
ain't got 'em, my nigga.
Genevieve, where your leg?
Where you at, Jenny?
Come through right here. Somebody's about to die for your sake.
Come
I'ma
through,
kill
Jenny.
myself.
You gonna cry too, bro?
I don't even have to die for a girl, Mariah. He's dying for a girl.
What am I gonna do
You
for two crying niggas, nigga?
I'm chucking you. Niggas
So-
go right there, go look for your
Grown
Jenny.
man gonna cry now because of Jenny?
I'm just trying to help right